The deconstruction program is where we get probably 90% of our materials. You know, they're the ones actually on the front lines taking out the stuff from houses that are being remodeled, being torn down. Those guys are out there working hard every single day to pull out cabinets, pull out flooring, pull out the materials that you see in our stores.
I love going to the house. It's the adventure of finding, you know, great materials, new materials. It's kind of like a treasure hunt, basically.
Majority of the stuff that our deconstruction takes apart are residential homes. We do also do barns, churches, commercial buildings.
There's a lot of things that take place before we even get to the jobs. You know, there's new laws that are come in effect all the time about lead, about asbestos, about hazardous materials, and that's one thing that we have to stay up on constantly. We have to send people to classes. We have to make sure that we're not putting our crews in danger or anybody that's living in the house, things like that. So there's a lot to it. It's not just going in and tearing up a house.
One of the biggest challenges is actually getting the material out and not wrecking it.
You know, you have to look at it from, okay, how was it put in there and how are we going to get it out?
You know, people would think you can just pop the stuff right out, but you know, you gotta tear cabinets out. You know, you make one wrong move and you bust half the frame off. Our guys have become really, really good at being able to take up hardwood floor and not bust all the tongue and grooves.
We salvage more flooring than probably any company in the United States. We do approximately 120 homes a year, and just about every one of them homes carries wood flooring in it. Flooring is a long, tedious project because you have to pull it, and you have to pull it properly so you don't break the tongues and grooves. You have to denail it, and then you have to put it in bundles. It's just a long process. It takes a pretty good carpenter or somebody that's been doing this a while to figure out how to get the stuff out clean. We've invented some tools, like flooring tools, to get the flooring out easier. It's basically the same thing as a Wonder Bar, but it's got a handle on it so you can stand up and do the flooring.
You know, we have guys that know what's going on, and they've been doing it for quite a while, and you know, they take the extra time to get the material out and not wreck it.